This is one model of all-new upgraded rotor with aerial photographic function. Exclusive new flying skill gives you an unprecedented flying experience. Shiji T40 series. New model with 360-degree 4D rolling function. Independent 4-key 4D rolling function is applied on this transmitter with strong power support, which helps realize the cool drafting performance in the air after tumbling. Drift course. Firstly, let the aircraft fly forward at constant speed. Then press the rolling key and you can realize 4D rolling performance. Following the same way, you can make side flying toward forward or backward, to the left or to the right, to realize 4D tumbling action. Exclusive lithium battery. 7.4-volt, 500 mAh dual lithium batteries are applied on series circuit. Strong power, small loss of the electric brush, long using life. Upgraded charging function. Quick charging circuitry is built in the quad rotor, which is compatible to all the interfaces, such as micro USB port of the mobile phone, etc. And there is no need to remove the battery for charging. Lithium battery with 2-line intelligent charging control. 2 pieces batteries can still be fully charged in the same time after many times of charging and discharging. Built-in overcharge-proof and discharge-proof dual protective board, which makes it more secure and safe. 2.4G high-gain special-purpose antenna. 2.4G high-gain special antenna is built in this transmitter, far controlling distance, support more players to operate in the same time. Energy-saving transmitter. Energy-saving low electricity consumption circuitry is applied on this transmitter. Only 2 pieces ordinary AA batteries are required. 1 key start. 1 key start is applied in the quad rotor and transmitter. Auto switch-off functional design. Automatically switches off the power after 10 minutes of standby. Dazzling LED light. LED lights are equipped on the fuselage, which makes night flying more wonderful. Course on real-time transmitting function. W1003 camera is loaded on this quad rotor. You can download the real-time air photographic software into your mobile phone. Open the software and click the icon Play key. The real-time picture will appear on your mobile screen. Come on and experience with me the various visual impacts made by this quad rotor. Four-channel flying function. Ascending. Forward. Backward. Turn left. Turn right. Left side flying. Right side flying. Landing. T40 series. T40C. T40CW, X301 series, X301, X301C, X301CW, X302 series, X302, X302C, X302CW.